Hello, konnichiwa. This is your host from Japan. Welcome to my channel, Tomica Kolektor. This week I'm going to present to you 5 items that I picked up over the weekend at the Hobby Off store. And one of them is, the first one is a special model Tomica 2001. Tomica number 2, special model number 2. And what's inside is this one. It's a Sylvia that says special model 2001 on the roof of the car, of the model car. So let's put this aside. And next one is a Tomica Limited Vintage LV111. It's a pickup truck. And this is how it looks like. And open it up. There it is. Nice looking little truck. Very detailed. And this roof comes off also. There you go. Okay, so much for that. Next one is a transporter, and it's a Tomica transporter. And there it is, folks, a nice looking transporter. And the fourth one is also a transporter. And it's a Honda transporter. There it is. It's still moving. Okay. Nice one. And the last one, which is sealed, is this one. So I'm gonna open this up later after you watch my video of the trip I made to Hakone and Skywalk, 2 areas here for tourist destination. All right, I'll see you then, folks. Okay, folks, I'm back. I hope you enjoyed my short video of my trip to Hakone, and as promised, I'll be opening up this sealed model Tomica. Taking a little bit of time. That's okay. It's a little bit of suspense right there. And brand new right here. Brand new old model. It's a Lexus LFA. There you go. Woohoo! Oops. Sorry. That's what it is right there. It's a Lexus. Nice wheels. Okay, that's all I have for this week, and hope to see you again, and keep watching my videos and hit subscribe.